that tiny bit of advice too.
No worries at all. Thanks, guys.
Here's Koshi.
Now, in the race for a vaccine against the coronavirus, Melbourne researchers have taken a giant step forward, ready to conduct animal trials of a COVID-19 vaccine. The Monash University team has not one, but 3 potential vaccines they're set to put to the test. They just need approval. Human trials are already underway with a similar vaccine in the United States. For more, I'm joined by lead researcher Professor Colin Pouton. Colin, thanks for your time. How does a vaccine work? You've not got 1 but 3.
That's right, Koshi. We're using a new technology called mRNA, or messenger RNA technology. And the messenger RNA encodes for the proteins that our cells make. So when we inject this molecule into the body, our own cells will make a protein that looks like part of the virus. And then that part of the virus allows us to raise an immune response.
OK. We were talking to the CSIRO a bit earlier. They were telling us about this global network of cooperation. Are you part of that as well, that you work with colleagues in the United States?
We're not working with colleagues in the United States directly. We obviously know what some of them are doing, but certainly locally we very much need cooperation between different institutions with different expertises. So I'm a pharmaceutical scientist, and we need help from virologists and specialists with containment facilities to deal with the coronavirus.
Yeah, and it just reinforces the expertise we have here in Australia in this area, which is absolutely fantastic. What sort of timeline is involved before something can be tested and approved and then try and beat this horrible thing?
Yeah, so I think generally people are looking at a timeline of 12 to 18 months before the vaccine's available. And it's really getting through a series of tests to make sure that you choose the right vaccine before producing something fit for use in people. And then in people, you have to go through safety tests and then efficacy tests. So it does take a little bit of time. But people are looking at that 12 to 18 months as a realistic time frame.
OK, all right. Hopefully the authorities short-track the whole thing through. Appreciate your time. Good luck with it.
Thank you.
Plenty still to come this morning. Back in a moment on Sunrise.